Hi my lovely viewers, this is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to terminate Esaymail email client app in PC or laptop in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the search option. Here I have clicked, so here the settings I have clicked because of I want to go that place. So apps, as because it is an apps, so install apps. Here if I don't found this, so I will write here or in above. I'm getting it very soon. See where this, so in this here we will go to the advanced options. We want the terminate in below side. Let's see immediately terminate this app and its related process. So when our apps has been needed to terminate it, so go to this session. So I have to come here and want to do this terminated and press this button very well. So in this way we can do this solution. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.